This is a problem in which the present value, future value, and the number of periods is known, and the interest rate is unknown. Your company needs $1,500,000 to build a new manufacturing plant 6 years from now. Your company currently has $800,000 to invest to build this plant. At what rate of interest must it invest the $800,000 to fund the plant 6 years from now? First, plug in the known values into the appropriate cells. The future value, FV, is $1,500,000. The present value, PV, is minus $800,000. The number of periods, N per, is 6. Going to the Formulas tab, look for the rate function. The function wizard pops up. Select PV, select N per, select FV, hit OK. See this magnification of the function wizard for the correct settings to solve the problem. The rate is 11%.